So, ayun. Hello mga ka-vlog. Mga ka-vlog. Hello po. Hello. Natin, naiinis na naman ako. Dami ng tanong ng nanay ko. Nai-stress na naman ako mga ka-vlog. Hindi ko muna kamay man. Muna ka junag. May ito nagkatwa. So, hello mga ka-vlog. Once I is Kevin, I would call, sorry for that because there's something on our internet connection mga ka-vlog. So, we are entering right now here at KCC Cotabato. So, itong kailang mall entrance, as you can see. This is the KCC Mall. Ayan, so mga ka-vlog, thank you for watching. We have 1,000 million viewers. Also, thank you for watching Vivian Padilla, Mother, Josie Valderas, I'm Josie Carrion, also Francisco Baduya, same as well. Same as well, Princess Sophia, Donna Ramirez. So, outfit check tayo mga ka-vlog. So, outfit check po tayo. Thank you for watching for my kilay. Also, Hakang family for makeup, also earrings for my mother. Necklace for my mother, also dress for my mother, same as well. Nails kaya tayo, I mean, thank you po, thank you. So, outfit check po tayo, baka naman pwede mag-guys. Wala tayong lightings na maayos. So, ayun mga ka-vlog, outfit check po tayo. So, ayun na ating outfit check for today's video. Since KCC Cotabato tayo mga ka-vlog. So, once again, it's time na dapat malakpanan. So, now mga ka-vlog, thank you for watching that Joy Sapson, also Jolly Magluyan. Thank you for watching. We'll be entering now the KCC Mall Cotabato. Agoy! Kaya nga ako nabag.
Bakit?
Wala na. So, ayan, we have entered the KCC Mall, Cotabato. So, this looks like, siguro bago lang to. So, ayan, meron na mga ganyan mga ka-vlog. Hello po. Ayan, so, as you can see mga ka-vlog, same as well, parang siyang SM at Manila. So, as you can see, mukha siyang SM. So, ayun. So, saan dito ang pagkainan? So, thank you for watching. Alexon Rivera, same as well, Sherwin Gabriel, thank you for watching. So, kunakman na namin, kasdyan. Wala mahinang internet. BC Akmat Tata Francis Biduya. Shoutout, sorry, shoutout pala tayo. Shoutout po tayo kay Queen Libuado Lagleva Carrera and Jerwin Kunakmanan namin. So we are here right now at KCC Cotabato. So maganda naman yung mall nila in fairness. Ay wala, Jollibee lang lahat. Wala pa kasi bago pa lang siya. Sige na Macdo. Maglahat na lang tayo. Taas na tayo isa. Bago pa kasi ito, no? Ikot lang tayo konti. So, ayan mga ka-vlog. As you can see, they also have pen shop here, bench. Same as well na ano lang. Same na, what they call this, na, like SM. Like SM Mega Mall. Wait, yung bra ko. Bawon kita karon. And mga ka-vlog, so as you can see, they also have Sophia here. Mga ka-vlog, so Sophia Jewelry is here also. So hindi pa naman lahat meron. So some of the is closed pa kasi nga maybe it's new. Hi po. Oh, they have also Lacoste here. Ang Lacoste mo Ayan mga ka-vlog. So once again, this is Kevin Howard Kapa. Kunak man na. Kasya. So this is their supermarket, mga ka-vlog. Maluwang siya in fairness. Para siyang MOA. Hello po. Sorry, tanong ko lang. Ate, bago lang po ba to? As in, bagong-bago lang. Ooh, ayun sa ate. Hello ate, one of our friends. Thank you. Bago lang. Tara na. Tara tayo din. Ulo? Gutom na. Ayun mga ka-vlog. So, wala tayong makakita kainan dito kasi nga po, bago lang sila. So, sabi ni mother, McDonald's daw kami. McDo yan, girl. Gusto ko inasal eh.
Wala nga uso.
McDonald's, inasal, baka naman. Jollibee, baka naman.
Walang inasal.